Find features that distinguish it from other brands for IQAir Atem Car Portable HEPA Air Purifier. Why you should buy choose, because it consists of the following features. Car, Travel Air Purifier. The Atem Car by IQAir is the ideal travel air purifier. The Atem Air Cleaner blankets you and your car's interior in perfectly pure air that is filtered down to 0.003 microns with our ozone-free HYPERHEPA air filtration. The Atem Car also has Bluetooth capabilities. Get the best from your travel bladeless air purifier with IQAir. Clean air on the road. IQAir's air cleaner fans get rid of odors, gases, pollution, mold, pollen, dust, smoke, NO2, SO2, allergens, pet dander, asthma triggers, and even ultrafine biocontaminants from the air in your car's cabin, and creates a zone of filtered air around you. The HYPERHEPA difference. IQAir's exclusive HYPERHEPA air filter technology removes 99% of contaminants from your air and filters particles up to 100x smaller, 0.003 microns, than traditional air filtration systems. Complete air control. With a simple mount, this air purifier system easily attaches to most headrests in cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, or any vehicle you need clean air in. The compact size and quiet operation give you the best ozone-free purification possible. Your air, smarter. IQAir exists to create safe living and working environments with innovative air purifiers that give you the cleanest air possible. Experience air filtration done better. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.